This is next part of the language. So here one person told that like this basically things are connected. Like this basically the system are created. An entire company basically never creates, sorry, entire countries basically never creates one system. So France is handling this system. So UAE basically might be handling some other system. Because nobody becomes one basically. Countries never becomes one basically. But without basically each country basically nothing happens. Enemy countries are also basically doing the business. So like this basically things are handled basically in Earth planet basically. So in construction basically set of groups are created. In India basically many big groups are there who basically are expert in this. If one person told that we want to create oil, so these groups are expert in this. They never shares their data basically. By chance basically if they will share also basically, it's very difficult to manage basically. By mistake basically somebody shared the information basically. But how you will handle, how you will manage basically, that's very tough basically. You should be connected with the satellites. Satellites basically only have the access of king group basically, because governments also basically are not handled by, sorry, government also don't have any control of satellites basically. For example, BJP government is created by some king group basically, and they are handling it basically. And king group basically, we have this many temples, we have this many mosques, this many church. That's all basically. In Sri Lanka basically they say that we have this many Ravan temple, this many Ram temple. Ram temple is also there basically. Hanuman temple is also there in Sri Lanka basically. So we are handling everything like this basically. So like this way basically world is connected. So this is one system basically which is created by some group basically, and that is handled by some group. So next.